Hello viewers, welcome to CleverQ. This video is the continuation of questions based on chords. In a circle, chord PQ and RS intersect at 90 degrees. If PS is equal to 8 centimeters and QR is equal to 6 centimeters, find the area of the circle. So, this is the figure. We have to draw this. And here you can see that PQ is intersecting with RS at 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. And it is given that this is point R and this is point S. Here PS is given 8 centimeters and QR is given 6 centimeters. Now we have to find the area of the circle. To find the area of the circle, we have to find the radius of the circle first. So this is the radius R. We have discussed that R is equal to under root 8 square, that is PS square plus RQ square divided by 2, that is 8 square plus 6 square by 2. Here this is 8 square plus 6 square is 10 square. You remember Pythagoras triplets again, just like 3, 4, 5. If you multiply this with 2, we have 6, 8 and 10. Now under root 8 square plus 6 square is equal to 100, that is 10 square, and radius is 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Now area of the circle is pi r square. The area of the circle is pi r square is equal to pi into 25. So option A, 25 pi is the right answer. In a circle, two chords AB and CD intersect at E, and AE is equal to 6 centimeters, BE is equal to 8 centimeters, CE is equal to 3 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle if both chords are perpendicular to each other. This is the point E and these chords are perpendicular to each other, so this angle is 90 degrees. The length of AE is 6, the length of BE is 8, the length of CE is 3, and the length of ED is unknown for us. If we find the length of ED, let us assume to be it as x, then we can find the radius of the circle. Now, as we have seen in intersecting chords theorem, AE into EB is equal to CE into ED, which is 6 into 8 is equal to 3 into x. By solving, we get x is 16. Here 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 8 is 16. So the value of ED is 16 over here. As we discussed earlier, the radius R is equal to under root AE square plus EB square plus CE square plus ED square divided by 2. So let us substitute the values. 6 square plus 8 square plus 3 square plus 16 square divided by 2. Here 6 square plus 8 square is 10 square, so it is 100 square, and this is 256. 256 plus 3 square is 9. 256 plus 9 is 265. So we get 365. See, you have to calculate all this in your mind so that you will be fast in your examination. See, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, 3 square is 9, and 16 square is 256. So if we add this, 36 plus 64 is 100, and 9 plus 256 is 265. So we get 365 as the answer, as the sum of this. Sorry, some technical issue. So now we got R is equal to under root 365 by 2. So option A, 365 by 2. I did not mention this 2 over here. So Under root 365 by 2 is the right answer. The length of two chords 2x and 2y intersect at right angle, and the distance between the center of the circle and the intersecting point of the chords is z. The radius of the circle is asked. Now let us draw the figure. Here you have two chords which have lengths 2x and 2y, and they intersect at right angle, so this is 90 degrees. And the distance between the center of the circle and the intersecting point of the chord is z. So this length is given z. Then the radius of the circle is asked. Now let us name these points AB, C, D, and here this, let AB be the chord which has the length 2y and CD be the length which has CD be the chord which has length 2x. Let us draw a line from the center to the chord which is perpendicular to CD. That means this line, if this is O and this is E, OE will be parallel to AB. Similarly, draw a line perpendicular to the AB connecting the center. Now this line is also 90 degrees, is also perpendicular with the chord, and now if this is F, OF is perpendicular to CD. Now the length of ED is X. As I have discussed earlier, the triangle OCD will be isosceles triangle. So if a altitude is drawn from the center to the side CD, then it will bisect the line CD into two equal parts. That means CE will be equal to ED. Now this is the radius R, and here this is the radius R. Similarly, we have AF. The length of AF will be Y. If you see here, you don't know the length of OE and OF. Let this length of OF be A and the length of OE be B. Small a and small b. Now let us see R square from triangle OED. R square is equal to x square plus b square. Similarly, from triangle AOF or AFO, R square will be equal to a square plus y square. Now let us add these two equations. We get 2r square is equal to a square plus b square plus x square plus y square. Here if you see, the length of z is a square plus b square. How you can get this? If you if this intersection point is G, GE is equal to FD, because you can see that here FGED is a rectangle. The opposite sides will be equal because this angle is 90 degrees, and similarly angle E is 90 degrees, and angle F over here is also 90 degrees. So automatically angle F, that is EOF, will also be 90 degrees. So this is a rectangle. And we also know that EO is parallel to AB and CD is parallel to FD. So the length of GE will be equal to FO, that is A, and OB, here OE is, the length is B. And now we have Z square is equal to A square plus B square. So if we substitute the value of Z square in this equation, we have 2r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and from here if you divide both sides by 2 and if you take square root on both sides, we get the value of r is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square by 2. Here this is x, this is y, and this is z. There is a mistake in this. So option C is the right answer. The radius will be x square plus y square plus z square by 2. Moving to the next question. In the given figure, PQ is equal to 8, QR is equal to 2, RS is equal to 4, and we have to find the value of ST. Here PQ is 8 centimeters, QR is 2, RS is 4, and let us think the length of ST be x. Let us name this intersection point of two circles as M and N. Now, by intersecting chords theorem, we see that here PS and MN are intersecting at point R. Okay, and here we can apply intersecting chords theorem. That is PR into RS. In the smaller circle, if you see, PR into RS is equal to MR into Rn. Similarly, you can see that in the bigger circle, Mn is the chord and Qt is the chord again intersecting at point R. Mn and Qt are intersecting at point R. So we can here also we can apply this intersecting chords theorem. QR into RT will be equal to MR into Rn. Now if you can see, MR into Rn and MR into Rn are in this both equations. If we name this 1 and 2, and if we compare this, we get that PR into RS is equal to QR into RT. So substituting the values, here we have PR is equal to 8 plus 2, that is 10, into the length of RS is given 4, will be equal to the length of QR is 2 into RT is 4 plus x, 4 plus x. So 2 into 4 plus x. Here if you see, 2 into 2 is 4, and we have 4 plus x is equal to 20, and the length of x will be equal to 20 minus 4, that is 16. Option D is the right answer. If in the given figure AB is equal to 2C, AC is equal to 4, while O is the center of the circle with radius R and P is the point between O and B such that AP is perpendicular to BC, OP is equal to X, find the product of R and X. We have to find R into X. Now see, here the length of AB is given 2 centimeters and the length of AC is given 4 centimeters and the length of OP is X and the length of OC is radius. And here you can also see the length of BP, that is R minus X, because the length of BO is R, that is radius. BP will be R minus X because PO is equal to X. Consider triangles APB and triangle APC. Here we have AP as the common side. So in triangle APB, we have AP square equal to 2 square minus r minus x whole square. Similarly, in triangle APC, we have AP square is equal to 4 square minus x plus r or r plus x whole square. Now by equating these two equations, here AP square is equal to AP square, so we can equate two equations. We get 2 square minus r minus x whole square equal to 4 square minus r plus x whole square. Now by sending r plus x whole square to the left hand side and bringing 2 square to the right hand side, we have r plus x whole square minus r minus x whole square equal to 4 square minus 2 square. So here on the both sides we have a square minus b square format. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So like that we get a plus b as 2r into 2x equal to 4 plus 2 into 4 minus 2, that is 6 into 2. Here we are left with rx is equal to 3. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled and 2 into 3 is 6. So rs is equal to 6. Option B is the right answer. In the given figure, two circles are concentric. Concentric means two circles will be having the same center. And AB is the tangent for the smaller circle. Here you can see AB is the tangent for the smaller circle touching at this point. And it is a chord for bigger circle. The radii of smaller circle and bigger circle is 8 centimeters and 17 centimeters respectively. Now find the length of AB. Here if this is the point O and this is point C, OC is the radius of the smaller circle. That means this is 8 centimeters. OB is the radius of the bigger circle and OB is equal to 17 centimeters. Here we have Pythagorean triplets over here again. 8, 15 and 17 are one of the Pythagorean triplets. So 8, if this side is 8 and OB is 17 centimeters, then CB will be 15 centimeters. And we all know that this line OC intersecting the line AB at C will bisect this line AB into two equal parts. That means AC is equal to CB. Then AC is 15 centimeters. So the length of AB will be 15 plus 15, that is 30 centimeters. Option D is the right answer. Thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any doubts and like, share and subscribe to our channel.